On this video, we'll learn how to use a graphics tablet with Illustrator. The normal way to create a path in Illustrator is to use the pen tool. The pen and the other basic tools are the best tool for managing the paths. I can also freehand paths. For this, I'll use a graphics tablet. The most basic tool for freehanding is the pencil tool. You can find it under the shaper tool. Hotkey for pencil is N. With the pencil tool, I can freehand a basic path. The faster I draw the path, the less anchor points it will have. Illustrator smoothens the drawn line. I can create corners with the pencil tool. The pencil tool creates the path with anchor points. You can edit them with the basic tools. If I draw a line with the pencil tool, it remains selected. If I now draw a new path near the previous one, they are joined. I can avoid this by deselecting by control-clicking after creating the first path. The pencil tool works well with the width profiles. If you want to draw more of the same kind of lines, remember to go to Appearance Panels menu and untick New Art has basic appearance. Pencil tool works well as a friend for the pen tool while inking.